Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to unbox and review one of the great folding e-bikes, which is the ENGWE ENGINE Pro e-bike. So with no further ado, let's get straight to it. As always, I start my videos by the assembly process and how good or bad it is. For this ENGINE Pro, the assembly was smooth. I would say it took between 15 to 25 minutes. It wasn't too bad at all. The assembly experience was great for this e-bike. So let's start and explore the outstanding features that makes this e-bike not just a mode of transportation but an experience to relish. So first, let's start with the ingenious foldable design of the ENGINE Pro. Weighing a mere of 69.6 pounds and supporting up to 330 pounds, this e-bike is a testament to thoughtful engineering, which I really appreciate when it comes to an e-bike's weight, which plays a big role, especially if you can't really afford carrying or lifting heavy stuff. The height adjustable seat and front ensure a personalized fit for riders of all sizes, and folding and unfolding are a breeze with the quick release design, making it not only space saving but also incredibly user friendly. A true companion that effortlessly adapts to your lifestyle, fitting snugly into the corner of your home or the trunk of your car for impromptu adventures. So let's move on to the next topic, which is the full shock absorption. The ENGINE Pro boasts a cutting-edge shock absorption system that includes an upgraded front fork, spring hydraulic shock absorber, and a high-performance movement shock absorber. This, combined with the 20 by 4 inches rubber snow fat tires, transform any rough terrain into a velvety smooth path. It's not just an e-bike, it's your ticket to luxurious, bump-free adventure, whether you are conquering mountain trails, dirt paths, or stone roads. It is definitely a really comfortable e-bike, especially if you are riding it like in bumpy roads or uneven roads. You will definitely see a big difference compared to probably any regular e-bikes or even e-bikes that doesn't have all this comfy qualities. So now let's talk about power and endurance, which is the true hallmarks of the ENGINE Pro. Fitted with an upgraded 16Ah battery, the e-bike effortlessly covers up to 31 miles in pure electric mode and astonishing 75 miles in assist mode, which is, I believe, a great range of miles that this amazing e-bikes can get you with all the comfort that it provides. The 48 volt 750 watt high power brushless motor propels you forward with gusto, reaching a maximum speed of 30 miles per hour. Say goodbye to range anxiety and hello to extended electrifying journeys. It definitely does a great job compared to other e-bikes, as most of them do between 20 and 25 miles per hour, and also the fact that it's foldable makes a big difference. So let's move on to the smart LCD display. At the heart of this technological wonder is a smart multifunction LCD display. It's not just a dashboard, it's your command center on the road. Real-time data on electricity, speed, mileage, and power, and also driving time is presented with clarity. And it's not just informative, it's intuitive. Troubleshooting is handled seamlessly with immediate error reporting. The display also takes care of your safety by automatically controlling the front and rear lights. Plus, it's your personal navigator, allowing you to set a fixed speed on flat roads. Need to charge your phone on the go? No problem. There is a convenient USB port for that, which is one of the features that I personally find really useful and convenient, especially if you have an iPhone. You definitely understand what I'm saying, as most of the iPhone's battery go down in just a matter of minutes, especially if you have one of the old versions of iPhone. Now, let's dive into some added features that make the Engine Pro an absolute delight to ride. So we got the Shimano 8-speed and hydraulic brakes. Gear shifting becomes a joyous experience with the Shimano 8-speed derailleur, a reliable companion that effortlessly adapts to any terrain or gradient. Safety is a paramount, and the hydraulic brakes ensure exceptional performance, delivering a reliable stopping power that adds an extra layer of confidence to your ride. And of course, comfort is the most important thing, especially if you are planning on taking the e-bike for longer rides. The generously sized and plush saddle guarantees a sitting experience that goes beyond comfortable. It's downright indulgent, crafted from thick, luxurious materials. The premium handlebar isn't just a handle, it's an extension of your comfort, ensuring every moment feels like a blissful journey. And I find the handlebars really nice and really comfortable, especially by having a nice grip when turning or driving fast, which is really nice to have. And as the sun sets, the Engine Pro doesn't just fade into the night, it illuminates the road ahead with a bright LED headlight, ensuring your path is well lit and visible. The rear tail light doesn't just signal your presence, it adds an extra layer of visibility to others on the road, making your safety a shining priority. There is more to love about the Engine Pro. It's not just a bike, it's a masterpiece of engineering, meticulously crafted with premium materials. This e-bike stands as a testament to durability and reliability. I'm saying this from my own perspective and my personal opinion. From the robust frame to the quality component, every inch of the Engine Pro exudes quality craftsmanship, making it a bike that's built to last for sure. That's all I have for this review of today, and I hope you guys find this review useful and helpful for you to decide whether this e-bike is the right fit for you. I do have few other clips for you to enjoy and watch so you can have a better idea about this e-bike and see for yourself how it performs in different places and different kind of terrain. I would say that it's a true powerhouse that seamlessly combines practicality, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. So whether you are commuting through city streets, tackling mountain trails, or just cruising along scenic paths, the e-bike elevates your journey to a whole new level. If you find this review helpful and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any future videos, which I promise there will be a lot of videos coming up about different e-bikes and different kind of products. And also I will leave a link in the description if you are interested to get your hands on this amazing e-bike with a great discount. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, leave them down below in the comment section. Until next time, stay safe. Peace.